Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at AUDJPY for this week. Before I get started, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do not leave without subscribing. Click on the subscribe button. I really need you to subscribe. You can also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it, and also like this video. So this week I am watching out for a bullish move on AUDJPY. So because we can see it in the if we take a look at this movement, you clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows. So when you zoom it out, you kind of see like a level here where price has been rejecting multiple times, which was once the support level, as we may call it. We see that once price came to the same level, we had a rejection multiple times at this level. Then eventually price has broken above this level, and what has happened next? A correction has been made to test this same level. So now that price has broken above it and a correction has been made to test this level, the next movement we'll be watching out for on AUDJPY is another impulse move. One of the reasons why I said AUDJPY should actually give us a bullish move, though it will now determine, because we are expecting kind of like a major news on JPY. This news, we once it is being released, it is it that we are going to know how this JPY will actually react. Though with this news, it can actually change the direction of this moment. Have it in mind. With that news, AUDJPY can drop, but technically right, if you have to exclude the fundamental aspect of it, technically we have to see an impulse move, a bullish move upward. But we know we can't remove the fundamental aspect of it to the news, so we need to watch out for the news closely, so we'll be able to know if the news will actually change the direction, fine. But if not, we might see a good amount of a bullish move on AUDJPY this week. So this week we are watching for a bullish move. Now this is another movement. We can see price has come to test the same level, so I am expecting another impulse move at least to level of 93. That is what I am watching out for. So if in case of the 4-hour time frame, if this serves to be support and resistance level, then we should see it come to a level of 92, 93. So that this is just like 50% chances. Just have it in mind, is about 50% win rate. That is why I've created a Patreon channel whereby it tends to put high probability trade that will have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade that once you take it, the likelihood of you losing that trade is very slim. So you can check the channel. I'm going to put the link in the comment section. This was the trade we actually took last week. You can see February 24th. We actually go to the target. We actually grab about more than 200 pips from here. So you can see the trade we took from this GBP New Zealand dollar. You can see it on the 22. We actually grab about 170 pips. You can see we actually grab about 300 pips on gold. So basically, almost all the trade we actually took, I've created a playlist which is February 20 to 24. You check the link, you can be able to watch all those trades. So basically, you can see crude oil, we actually grabbed a lot. Even we actually took Nasdaq 100 trade twice. The first one was, around that February 20 and 21. We actually got to the level, we grabbed a lot. You can see we actually took the second one on February 24th. So basically, you can see 9 trade, and we had about 85 to 90% win rate. We actually won a lot. So if in case you are blowing up your account or you're having trouble growing your account, you can sign up. And if at the end of the month, or if after a month you don't get the value that I promise you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. With just 20 USD, you can become one of our subscribers.